Hello friends, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Spotify's sleep timer feature. So let's get started. So to get access to this feature you need to be running the latest version of Spotify on your Android phone. Uh, I've already downloaded the latest version, so after that you need to launch the Spotify app. Now you need to play any track. So now to access the feature you need to tap on this three dot icon available on the upper right corner. Now here you need to scroll down and you find this new option named as sleep timer. Tap on it. Now you will get options after how much time you want to stop audio, and you can set from 5 minutes to 1 hour, and you can also set end of track in case you want to stop the audio after your track is finished. So let's add the timer for 5 minutes. Now you will get a message that okay, your sleep timer is on. So in case you want to turn it off, you just need to head over to the same settings. Now here you will find that sleep timer is already set for 5 minutes. You need to tap on it. Now you need to scroll down and you can tap on this turn off timer. So that's it guys, this is how you can use Spotify's new feature. I hope you find this video useful. Let me know your thoughts about Spotify's this new sleep timer features, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.